Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial explains how to locate projects within the TrueAIWork application. You will learn to navigate through task groups and project filters to find your assigned projects. Click the All Tasks section to access the full list of tasks available in TrueAIWork. Click the Group option to organize tasks by different categories for easier navigation. Click the Project category to filter tasks specifically related to projects. Click the filter that shows tasks assigned to you, including all projects, statuses, and priorities, to view your relevant projects. You have successfully located your projects by navigating through task groups and applying filters in TrueAIWork. This process helps you efficiently manage and access your assigned projects.